Hello everyone. Welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a question in System Verilog, particularly System Verilog assertions. It's related to immediate assertions. We are going to see the difference between immediate and deferred immediate assertions. In case you have not gone through, there is a tutorial on immediate and deferred immediate assertions in System Verilog assertion series. If you want, you can go through that first, and then this will be like very easy once you go through that. Now let's see the key distinguishing features between immediate and deferred immediate assertions. First will be with respect to syntax. In immediate assertion you use hash 0, and in deferred immediate assertions you use final keyword. Second distinguishing features will be, are the variables settled when the assertion is evaluated? In case of immediate, no. In case of deferred immediate, yes. Why? Because deferred immediate executes, it evaluates in the reactive region. By that time, all the variables are settled. But immediate assertion will evaluate immediately. It will not wait for any variables to settle. Because of this, there will be glitches in immediate assertions. It is prone to glitches because variables are not yet settled. And in case of default immediate assertions, it waits for the variables to settle, hence, it's not prone to any glitches. The third feature is with respect to reporting. In case of immediate assertion, the reporting happens immediately. In case of deferred immediate, it will wait until later in the timestamp. Then, with respect to action, in case of immediate, you can have multiple pass and multiple fail action. In case of deferred immediate, you can only have a single pass and single fail action. One pass and one fail action is only allowed. Here, multiple pass and multiple fail actions are allowed. These are the key distinguishing features of immediate and deferred immediate assertion. We will keep creating such good quality technical content. To stay tuned, you can subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Myself, Sweetie Pinjani, will see you soon. Thank you.